Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve network on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve network on Facebook, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click here in this page. You can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.